Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your subscription on the Acorns app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Acorns app and you want to go ahead and change your subscription. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Then go into settings. Next, from here, click on my subscription. Then from here, you could actually go ahead and scroll down, and under manage subscription, you can click on change plan. So you can change between a bronze plan, silver plan, or a gold plan as well. And so with it, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your subscription or manage your subscription on the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.